Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram camera effects not working. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for Instagram, and if there is an update, you need to update your Instagram application. Once you done that, you simply need to go into the settings and go into the app management and click on app list and search here Instagram, and then you need to click on storage and cache, and the first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Once you complete that step, you simply need to go back and check your internet speed. If it is okay, then you need to log in your Instagram account. Okay, and then you need to check the effects. So let me open a story and let me check. So now you can see that it is working properly. So by following these steps, you can easily fix Instagram broken effects. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.